Hi guys, sometimes we only have time for something very short and sweet, so this is for you, 5 minutes of core. All right, this is gonna be go, go, go. We're gonna start it and then we'll finish it right at that 5 minutes, okay? In 3, 2, 1. Have a seat to get started. Exhale, hands behind the head. We go right into it, crunch it up and down. Good. Crunch it up and down. Nice job. You're here for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, one more, and 1. Whew, good job. Bring those knees to 90 degrees, and I want you to go ahead and tap your heels down, single leg for me, really starting to fire up through the abs as we're working. Good. Give me 4, 3, 2, one more, and 1. Roll up and then over onto the right side. Squeeze your legs together. Inhale your left arm over your head. Exhale, side lying obliques. 8, 7, 6. Isn't this fun? 5. Good job. 4, 3, 2. One more rep. Up, up, up. 1. Staying on the right forearm, you're going to pop up the hips, stack or stagger your feet. I like to stagger, left foot in front. Hand comes behind the head. You roll the elbow down. 8, 7. Notice how I restack. 6, 5, 4, 3. Last 2, 2. One more. Yes, 1. Good job. Quick flip. We go the left. You can roll to the other side or flip with me. It's up to you. All right. Come all the way down. We have 8 reps. Let's go. 8, 7, 6. Squeeze those legs. 5, 4, 3, 2. Come on, guys. It's just 5 minutes. 1. Left forearm down, scissor or stack. If you're scissoring, right foot in front, right elbow, and then we roll, restack. Good. When I roll, I pop my hips up slightly higher and then crunch in and down, okay? So give that a try. Nice. You're here for 4, 3, good. 2, we lay on our back. Ready? 1. Exhale, lay down onto your back. Bicycle crunches, hands behind your head. Twist. Good. Really, really work to find the movement here as we go from left to right. Engage the muscles in your obliques as you twist with me, okay? 8, 7, 6. Let's go. 5, 4, reverse crunches in 3, 2, one more each side, 1, 1. Good job. Hands down, legs up, pick up the bottom, put it down. Lift, lift. You're in that final minute of work. Try not to miss a rep, okay? Good. You're here for 8, 7, 6, lemon squeezers, aka boat pose crunches in 4, 3, 2, rock it all the way up. First of all, hold the boat so it's strong, you're lifted. Reach your arms out and pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Freeze, hold it. 4, 3, 2, 1, and pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5. This is it. 4. Class is over in 3, 2, 1. Whew, you made it. 5 minutes, check, done. Feel free to hit replay, do it again, or be done with your day. Good job, guys.